Hello friends, glad to meet you all with this new video. Today I'll explain how to write a script for the speech. Speech is a major discourse and it is a paper 2 skill. On to the pattern to follow to write a speech script. Greet the audience. Then try to ask 2 to 3 questions to trigger the topic. Then use question tags to maintain the attention and interaction with the audience. And stick to the title and give new ideas. On to the question here. One of your school students has been selected as the best student of the year. A felicitation program has been arranged to honor him. Write a speech script to encourage other students. On to the speech. So when you make a speech, we need to always maintain eye contact with the audience. And we need to make some questions to keep them always attentive. And our disposition should be such cheerful that we grab the attention of the audience. On to the speech here. Good morning everybody, Reverend Principal, respected teachers and my dear friends. So greeting is an inevitable part. So here we need to look at the audience and greet everyone. Then we start with our speech. This is truly a memorable moment for each one of us as one of our schoolmates has been selected as the best cadet of the year. So we need to first tell what is the purpose, on which occasion we are extending this speech. So here it is the occasion where one of the school student has been selected. So that is what we are telling in our first line. Then we go with our emotions and expressions. It's indeed a special event in each one of our school life to get a good name for our institution. Our cabinet member Ashok truly deserves to be honored. We know that Ashok has always been sincere in all his tasks, punctual and disciplined. So here we are telling about Ashok, the Ashok who has been selected as the best cadet. We need to put some descriptions, right? And then we need to tell what is the purpose for which he has been honored and what are the traits for which he has been honored, and then how we ought to follow and then be an exemplary person like him. Then his helping nature was clearly exposed when he went to the flood relief camps in Chennai. His relentless efforts to bring maximum participation of students in competitions is just noteworthy. Here we saw that Ashok is a cabinet member. So he is the one who is going to who motivates the students to participate in the competitions. And here we see that Ashok is truly a good cabinet member who encourages each and everyone. So he truly deserves to be honored. I feel that he could reach this level just because of the able guidance of our principal, the self-discipline inculcated by our teachers, and the norms followed in our school to maintain discipline and decorum. So the entire credit is not just to Ashok but to the principal, to the teachers, the mentors and the parents and the rules and regulations in the school. This is how we ought to bring the speech, because everyone, all the little small things, everything contribute to the success of a person. So this also gives us an idea that there is scope for all the students to shine like Ashok. I wish that many more students get this award for our school and bring our school to the forefront. So this is a hopeful ending wherein there is a desire expressed that in the future many more students would bag such awards and get a good name for the school. Hope you all understood how to make a speech with regard to the felicitation. Hope this session was useful to you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. Do click the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.